So now we'll see what C++ variables are. So variables are those which can hold some values in them. So simply C++ also have some variables like to store integer values, characters, and all. So we have five variables in C++. So first of all is integer. So integer is used to store the integer variable, and then we have character to store characters, and then double is also same as integer, but it has larger size to store bits. And then we have bull only have one bit, so it can be 1 or 0, so it holds true or false, which is a boolean value. And then there is a string variable which can store strings. So strings are those which strings are group of characters. So these are the variables we use in C++, and we will see them in detail in other videos. So we'll see how much memory is used by variables. So the integer is having 2 or 4 byte in C++. So means you can we know that every byte has 8 bit in it, and every bit can hold 1 or zeros. So the integer can hold 16 or 32 bits in C++, which is nice. But if we want to increase the bits, if we want to store larger number in C++, we can use double. So double has 18 byte. So double can have 8 bytes in it. And the character is using 2 bytes only. And we know that the boolean value is a bit, so it only holds 1 or zeros, so it is only a 1 bit number. So boolean is only 1 bit. And string is dynamic, so string can hold so many bits in it as we are assigning some values to it. No problem. And there's some floating point numbers. Floating point numbers are those which can hold values after decimal points, like 2.3 minus 2.3 means we can hold the values after decimal also. So float numbers are also has 4 bytes in it. And examples of this is like gives example for it is 4.56 like this here, minus 4 0.33. So many examples are there, but it is only, it does not hold decimal point numbers. And the string dynamically allocation of memory. Dynamically allocation of memory means as I am using, I'm assigning like some string I'm giving into it. Like this is my string. So as I'm typing, it is allocating the memory to it. It is not on. It is not like that. It can hold only some 5 words, 6 words. No, it can hold any size of string in it. So now we will see all the implementation of variables which we have discussed in the last video. So I'm including library. So instead of input output libraries, I am including bits stdc dot hatch, which will include all essential libraries. And then I'm using namespace std, and which is used to using standard used to use for objects and naming from standard libraries. We can use names from standard libraries here by using namespace std. Then I'm declaring main function, which is int main, not a void. We can also use void functions. We will see after some time. But I'm using integer main function. So our program execution will start from main function. So first of all, I am using int variable. So int, and then we have to use name of the variable. So variable one. So this is the name, and then I'm giving some values to it. So this is the value, and then I'm using another integer, but in a larger size, which is double. You can use double int also, and double int. Then I'm giving name, which is two. Then I can assign another integer value in it, and then a character. We can give some characters to store it. We have to give name to the character, which is I can say as a variable number 3, which is a character. And the fourth variable is bool. So for it bool. So we have to use either true or false. We can also use false, false here also. And then we can say string variable 5. You can use any name for these variables, but I'm using this. Strings we have to even in double included commas. So this is my string. This is string. String means the group of characters. So we can see so many characters here, like 4, 5, 6, 7. So many characters we can see. And then I'm returning integer in the last. So I have assigned all the variables with some values in them. You can print them by cout functions like variable one. Then you can use some space. Then you can say variable number two, and then some space. So like this, you can print all of them, and at the end, I am giving end line. Means after the fixed variable, the full line will be empty, and the next will be next line will be on the next one. There's some error, so you can see all the values here. So these are the values First one is for integer, second is for double, third is for character, four is for boolean value, and fifth is string. That's all.